Skin tags, medically known as acrocordons, are small, soft, benign growths that typically form in areas where the skin folds, such as the neck, armpits, groin, eyelids, and under the breasts. They are composed of collagen fibers, blood vessels, and a thin layer of skin. While harmless, their occurrence is often linked to certain factors. 1. Friction and skin rubbing. Skin tags commonly develop in areas where skin frequently rubs against itself or clothing. This is why they are prevalent in overweight individuals or those with skin folds. 2. Genetics. A family history of skin tags may increase the likelihood of developing them, suggesting a genetic predisposition. 3. Hormonal changes. Pregnant women often experience skin tags due to fluctuations in hormones, particularly increased levels of estrogen and progesterone, which can stimulate skin growth. 4. Aging. As people age, they become more prone to skin tags, possibly due to skin losing elasticity and increased friction over time. 5. Obesity and metabolic syndrome. Being overweight increases the chances of skin friction, which can contribute to the formation of skin tags. Additionally, metabolic syndrome, a cluster of conditions including high blood pressure, high blood sugar, excess body fat, and abnormal cholesterol levels, has been associated with a higher incidence of skin tags. Could skin tags be a sign of diabetes? Yes, skin tags can be a potential indicator of insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. Here's why. 1. Insulin resistance. Insulin is a hormone that helps regulate blood sugar. When the body becomes resistant to insulin, it leads to higher levels of circulating insulin and glucose. This excess insulin may trigger the growth of skin tags. 2. Diabetes and high blood sugar. Studies suggest that people with multiple skin tags have a higher likelihood of prediabetes or diabetes. Chronic high blood sugar levels can lead to increased inflammation, affecting skin growth and repair. 3. Acanthosis nigricans connection. This skin condition, characterized by dark, velvety patches, often appears alongside skin tags in individuals with insulin resistance. The presence of both could be a warning sign of metabolic issues. When to be concerned. While skin tags are generally harmless, if you suddenly develop multiple skin tags or notice other symptoms such as unexplained weight gain, excessive thirst, or fatigue, it might be worth getting checked for diabetes or insulin resistance.